So, what you got to trade? I have a mini Nido, a butter squishy, and I have the rare dark green squishy. I'll trade you my super rare mini ice cube for your super rare dumpling squishy. Okay, let me put this on the table. Okay, I accepted. I accept. Wow, this is crazy. Sick. Put it in my collection. Why are you laughing like that? Because those are fake. This one is the real one. So I gave you my super rare dumpling for this thing. This is fake. At least I have your butter account. Oh yeah, Butter's got food. I mean, I know, but that one's fake. No, let me search this up. This is the actual one. Oh. So you tried to trick me. Yeah. So, I have the big one. So you do have trying to prank me. Huh. So, you try to prank me, even though I try to prank you. So, I'm abused, okay? This is so weird. Okay? Hey guys, I was checking it. Why are you trading that? What? This is really rare for my ice cube? Yeah. Duh. I mean, he's right. I don't know why you're trading those. Also, you're on his team now. Okay, I'm gonna dropkick you after this talk, I guess. You guys wanna stop trading? Because I need the room. For what? So I can use the computer. Broski, it's my computer. Yeah, I know. I need for work. Oh, yeah, I want to explain why there's so many papers out there in my room. Yeah, sorry about that. So, can I have it? Okay, first let me finish the trade, okay? Okay.